So we're at a Polish wedding in New Zealand. It's going to be interesting because it's just been raining. We're all wet. Rain is supposed to be good luck, right, Lemmy? Rain is supposed to be good luck, yeah? I don't think I am being sarcastic.
Kia ora tātou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Welcome to this gorgeous little chapel on a wet but gorgeous day where we get to celebrate the love of these two beautiful humans, Ryan Andrew Mackay and Olivia Weiss.
Olivia, I love you more than you'll ever know. You're my best friend and my favourite part of every day. You constantly make me smile and you let me be me without any hesitation.
Ryan, the day you came into my life, my whole world changed. I didn't realise it at the time, but those conversations were the beginning of our forever.
Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, we're going to give you a break to dry your eyes while we do some of the paperwork before becoming and getting these two issues.
Stephanie's crying. Daddy, you're sweating to death.
Please put on some air conditioning in New Zealand.
You're nailing it. Back here. As you place this ring on Olivia's finger, please repeat after me. Olivia, I give you this ring.
Olivia, I give you this ring
as a symbol of the vow
as a symbol of the vow
I've made to you today.
I've made to you today.
And Olivia, as you place this ring on Ryan's finger, please repeat after me. Ryan, I give you this ring.
Ryan, I give you this ring
as a symbol of the vow
as a symbol of the vow
I've made to you today.
I've made to you today.
Olivia and Ryan, you've exchanged your vows and rings in love. So without any further ado, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Why are you throwing out all the flowers? Why? And you're putting it back in your basket.
So, the reason why we're in New Zealand is we're here for a Polish wedding in New Zealand. We've done Polish weddings in Poland. We've done Polish weddings in Australia. Time for New Zealand. Let's see how fun it is. Look at Lumi. Spin. What kind of a spin was that?
Because you said it was horrible.
I never said it was horrible. I said you look like a China doll. Anyway, so stay with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Our friend Olivia and Ryan are getting married. It's a beautiful place.
Except for
Winery.
the horse things in the road.
There's horses everywhere. It's very nice.
There's poop on the road.
You're the poop on the road.
Blame it on me. They just want a scapegoat. I just tried to fit in.
So Ryan, how do you feel as a married man?
I feel great.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what you're getting yourself into? Have you met Olivia?
Sometimes.
I've got some dirt on her. I'll talk to you later after vodka.
You got to break to get out of the woods. They tell me I look good.
I'd also like to encourage responsible drinking, maximum of 1 drink in each hand. We don't want any spillage with more drinks.
I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby.
Ends up with a glass of vodka will be the dominant partner in your relationship.
You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting. I'm on fire. You got me waiting. My desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now. To the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now. To the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat.
disregard the shot that you guys had when you came in. Who wears the pants in the relationship? Who farted first?
Olivia, were you proud?
Who has the craziest friends?
Blaming on me, they just want a scapegoat. I just tried to fit in. You've got to beg just to get in line. The fights, the lies. I just tried to be good. You've got to break to get out of the woods. They tell me I look good. Savior, feeling cold to the bone. You've got to fight to get out of the storm. I know, it's time. I just tried to be good. You've got to break to get tell me I look good.
How do you feel being a Mrs.?
Mrs. Mackay. I'm a muscle.
Nah, he's Mr. Vice, isn't he?
Oh yeah. He's
Mr. Vice, Mr. Vice. Sorry, Ryan, it's Mr. Vice.
Oh, we could hyphenate Mr. Vice Mackay.
That sounds nice. Mr. Mackay Vice.
Oh, Vice Mackay.
Vice Mackay? Alright, so how does it feel to be a wife now?
Pretty special.
Because I've known you for a pretty long time. You know, Isa didn't tell a story during the speech, and I reminded Isa, and she goes, oh, I forgot. Because Olivia used to hang out the back of an old Mazda while we were driving through the middle of the city, and she would howl like a dog outside the windows, all the men, and she'd be going, hello.
I think you're getting me mixed up with someone else.
Yeah, there was a different Olivia back then.
Yeah.
It was just a Ms. Olivia.
I just wanted French fries, like McDonald's
Oh my God.
French fries.
Yep, there was so much.
Before I met Ryan, my love was for McDonald's French fries.
And chicken nuggets.
Yeah, chicken nuggets and McDonald's French
Yeah,
fries.
I actually,
And then I found my real love, Mr. Ryan Andrew Mackay.
that brings you French fries and chicken nuggets.
And he brings me French fries.
Yeah, that's right. The amount of times I would finish DJing and we would drive back, and it would be, I want French fries and chicken nuggets.
They tell me I look good. They tell me I look fine. She never seems to ever greet me with a smile. No, next time, love. No, next time, love. They tell me I look good. They tell me I am fine, but they never seem to ever let me come inside. They tell me I look good. They tell me I am fine. I want you to show me love, show me life. They tell me I look good. They tell me I look good. But you never seem to ever greet me with.
Anyway, we're back. Thank you, Olivia and Ryan, for an amazing wedding.
Survivors.
Survivors. We're still drinking. What's the time?
It's 12.
12. This wedding's not over yet. Popravine.
Jutro.
See ya.